If you are getting super annoying automated bot-like comments on your posts or on your question stickers on your Instagram stories, I'm going to show you how to report these people. I'm not saying that it'll necessarily do anything, but I feel like in order to actually make social media social, we can take the time to do this every once in a while. So this is a client's account. It's a newer client for me. Go up here to these top 3 lines and you're going to click archive, and I'm going to show you. This is from a question sticker in her Instagram stories. And so this story's still up, but just so you know, this is actually how you can go back to look at any former, like you can look at older questions that I've posted on there too and scroll up. So anyway, so I'm going to click on this question, and then you're just going to take your finger and swipe up on this screen, and then you're going to see all of these responses are clearly not responses to this question, and they're all automated bots. This just gets on my nerves so much. I think it's so stupid that people think this will actually help grow their real customers. So I've already reported these first 3, so I'm going to go on to the 4th one. Unfortunately, I don't know a way to do this more automatically. If they DM you, if somebody DMs you a spam DM, they're super easy to report. But if it's a comment or a response to a question sticker, it's a little more manual. So I'm just going to remember this name, john.mlm.biz, okay? And I'm going to X out and just go back to the, go back to the main screen. And then I'm going to go down to this search bar. I'm going to hit search. Okay, so john.mlm.biz, okay? There he is right there, so I'm going to click on that. And then I'm just going to go up to the top 3 dots on the top right hand corner. Click that. And then I'm going to click report. You don't just want to do block, because block will just block them from your account. So if you want to stop this person from doing stupid stuff, then you're going to hit report and then report as spam. As I said, I don't know that this will do anything. Instagram has had times where they've come back and I've tried this and they've said, we didn't find there to be spam-like behavior. But hey, I figure if we all kind of start doing this, hopefully we can crack down on all the stupid automated bots. Hope that was helpful. Let me know if you have any questions.